Guys, hope you all doing good. Today I'll quickly share my experience with the riding jacket which I got, the Aspida Nemesis 2 L2, which has level 2 armor. So while buying the jacket, I did look for how the material feels like, and what kind of armor it has, level 1 or level 2, and I did try it and see the fittings and everything. But one mistake I've did is I've not opened the jacket and personally verified or did an inspection of what the armor is, whether it is level 2 or level 1, and whether it has any manufacturing defect. Like you can see, it's been 1 month. I really did not had any fall or any accident using this jacket, but I did a ride to Pune, I think, one day ride, and once I'm back, the jacket looks very dirty. So I thought, let's wash it. So before washing it, I took out all the armors to actually take it out, and so that I can wash it with the water. That time I saw this, I really got very disappointed looking at the armor that I was using it. It just really got disappointed, and I bought it for like around 8,000 rupees. I did not really expected this from any brand. I would say maybe it's my mistake. I should have checked it while buying rather than complaining now. But I did email the Spartan customer care to get me a new one. After multiple emails, like 2-3 emails chasing them, they did agreed and agreed to send me a new one. It's been like 4 days. I still not got any updates from them. I'm planning to follow up with them, but there's a quick advice for if you're buying any riding jackets. Do check everything, whatever the fitting and everything, but do open the jacket and take out the armors and do a quick inspection kind of a thing, whether the armor is level 1 or level 2, and whether everything looks good to you or not. It's a pretty much a standard approach we should follow. I was buying it for the first time, so I didn't know that. So this is a quick kind of an advice, I would say, my personal advice for you to check it. Check any brand. If you buy a riding jacket, do check the armor. Okay, so if you guys have not seen the riding jacket review, the Aspida Nemesis L2, which I own, so guys, I'll put it in the card, and you can go and see the review, the detailed in-depth review of the jacket. And if you guys are new to this channel, what to expect from this channel is every week I do a travel blog once in a week, and on the weekdays I do review products related to bikes and biking accessories. So if you like this kind of a content, please do subscribe and like the channel. And thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions, do mention it in the comment section. I'll try to answer it, whatever I know. Yeah, thanks for watching.